Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing great and your preparation for class 12th physics board exam is going in the right direction. Today through this video, I want all of you to make sure that you study thoroughly the 25 topics which I'm going to list in this video. These are going to ease your answering section B, C, D. That is 2 mark, 3 mark and 5 mark questions. These topics are selected from the previous year question papers repeatedly asked, and I think this year also there will be many questions coming from these listed 25 topics. So make sure that you are having a tick mark against all these 25 topics before you go for your board exam. The first topic, of course, is going to be applications of Gauss law. We have studied 3 derivations: electric field due to linear charge conductor, thin sheet and spherical shell. Along with the derivation, please study the graphical representation between electric field versus distance r. Second topic to be studied is capacitance with the dielectric medium inserted between and without dielectric medium inserted between for a parallel plate capacitor. Third one is statements of both the laws of Kirchhoff, and using that we are deriving a balancing condition for Wheaton's bridge. So make sure that you study that as well. Fourth topic is force between parallel current carrying conductors, and using this formula only we are defining 1 ampere by SI system, right? So that definition of 1 ampere also has to be studied along with the derivation of force between parallel conductors. Fifth topic is moving coil galvanometer and its conversion to voltmeter and ammeter, the construction, principle and working of MCG, and how to convert a galvanometer to voltmeter and ammeter. Next is AC generator, the diagram, the construction, working, principle, and how theoretically we can get by using AC generator, how an alternating EMF can be produced. Next is transformer. We are studying step up and step down transformer, its principle, construction, and working. Eighth topic is LCR circuit, derivation of impedance by using phasor diagram method. Lens maker's formula, please don't go for the exam without studying this at all. Lens formula, that is 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F, that derivation. Then prism formula, refractive index of prism, one derivation is there, right? Huygens principle, highly expected question I could say, because from wave optics, in derivations of interference and diffraction is not there. Polarization is completely been deleted. So one of the highest probable question which can be asked from wave optics is going to be Huygens principle, and by using Huygens principle, the proof of loss of reflection and loss of refraction. Astronomical telescope and compound microscope, the diagram is very important, and along with the diagram you study the derivation of magnifying power. Difference between interference and diffraction pattern, the graph is there, and the points of difference you can study in a tabular form. Next is electric field and potential due to dipole at axial point and at equatorial point, and for potential there is a derivation for electric potential at a general point also. One of the highly probable question again, magnetic field at an axial point of a circular loop by using Biot-Savart law. Finding work function and Planck's constant from the graph between stopping potential and frequency, very important question, and that graph also need to be studied. Next is all the graphs of photoelectric current experiment showing relationship between current, intensity, frequency, stopping potential, etc. There are so many graphs from photoelectric effect experiment which is there in the NCERT textbook itself. Explaining p-n junction formation of p-n junction, that is by using diffusion and drifting, right? Like what are the processes happening during the formation of a p-n junction, forward and reverse bias characteristics, how to draw the graph, and what is the circuit diagram used to study the forward and reverse biasing. Half wave and full wave rectifier, again I'm telling you, semiconductor is again one of the important and easy chapter because half the lesson has been deleted. So from the remaining half, 7 mark can be scored from only by studying semiconductor lesson. Again from semiconductor, energy band diagrams of conductor, insulator and semiconductor, and also for p-type and n-type semiconductor also energy band diagrams are given in the textbook. Please study that. Okay, relation between current and drift velocity is yet another important topic which I feel highly probable. graph between resistivity and temperature for conductor, insulator, and alloys, which is again there in the NCERT textbook, chapter number 3. Self-inductance and mutual inductance derivation from electromagnetic induction topic. Bohr's atomic model postulates. Quantization condition using de Broglie relation. Relationship between total energy, potential energy, and kinetic energy for different orbits of hydrogen atom. This is also highly probable. From the lesson nucleus, I think mass defect, binding energy per nucleon versus atomic number curve is there. Potential energy versus nuclear distance graph is also there. Please study these topics. Okay, I think from these 25 topics, you will be able to score or crack most of the questions which is coming related to theory in section B, C, and D. Hope this video will help you in your preparation, and I hope all of you will make sure that from these checklists you will not miss anything. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead and all the best for your board exams.